Welcome again to the bonus chapter. In this chapter, we are going to see how to install MySQL database in Linux. To install MySQL database, run the following command sudo apt install MySQL server copy and then let's paste here. You can see it is going to install around 242 MB in our system. Yes, and the installation has started now. And you can see our MySQL is running in the process ID 7518. Now just type MySQL. Here you can see the error. If you are getting this error, it simply means you need to run this using sudo. Here you can see you are in the MySQL console. Now let's get out of this console and try to run with the root -u root and -p and let's run the password. And here you can see because we didn't set any password during the installation, I'm getting this kind of error. The reason for this kind of error is that MySQL is using the socket authentication option for the default user root. Let's change this to native MySQL authentication. To do that, you need to run following set of commands. Let's run this command and then let's try to see what kind of authentication we have right now for root. And here you can see for root we have auth socket, right? That is socket authentication. Now let's alter the password. You can see our password is changed to this one now and flush privileges to update the changes. And now let's run that command again. And here you can see our root user is having some password. Okay. And let's exit the prompt. And now when I try to run this command and password, then I am inside the MySQL console using root password. I can easily run different commands like this. This way, you can install the MySQL server in Linux. Thanks for watching.